Hi, my name's Brad Odner. I'm an applications engineer with Keithley Instruments and Tektronix. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can swap out two 2602B SMUs with one 2606B 4-channel SMU. For our setup today, we have a laptop running Keithley's test script builder program connected via USB, and we also have two 2602B SMUs and one 2606B that we're going to swap them out with. Let me zoom in so you can get a better look.
Here you can see the huge space savings a 2606B offers. Source meters typically require 1 U of space above them for ventilation, but the 2606B doesn't have this requirement. You can see it's mounted directly beneath the other instruments. Since two 2602B source meters gives you 4 independent channels to work with, I've attached an LED to each channel with alligator clips and written a small script with Keithley's test script builder to do a linear voltage sweep on each channel at the same time. So let me just run that now on the two 2602Bs. I've highlighted the LEDs here. Now I'll show you everything you need to do to run this exact same script on a 2606B, which is perfectly compatible with 2602B code. To start, let me swing the camera around to the back of the instruments. First, of course, you'll want to make sure that all your instruments are off. Now I'm going to move all the SMU connections from the 2602Bs onto the 2606B. I didn't screw in any of my connections, but you'll have to do that part as well. You'll notice that the SMU connections line up exactly beneath each other. The 2606B behaves just like two independent 2602Bs. This is one reason cross-compatibility is so strong. Now that the SMU connections are moved, I'm going to unplug the USB connection to my computer. This will be moved to the front of the instrument. Next, I'll unplug the TSP link cable. This will also be moved to the front of the instrument. Finally, since I'm replacing these two 2602Bs, I might as well just steal one of their power cables. The 2606B, of course, only requires a single one. Now let's swing back to the front of the instruments and finish up the connections. All we have to do here is connect the USB cable that's connected to my computer for control, then connect the TSP link cable between each half of the instrument, and finally flip it on. Now I'm going to minimize our view of the instruments to look at my computer running Keithley's test script builder. Our first step is to open the instrument for control via USB. The numbers shown in your window will vary. The one thing you may have to change before immediately running your old scripts is the TSP link node number for each half of the 2606B. Each half has its own node number and ships as node 1. For my script, all I have to do is set the node my USB cable is plugged into to node number 2, with one line in the console. You can set either half of the 2606B to any node number with this method. Now I'll just right-click here and run the editor contents. And the script behaves exactly the same. We've perfectly replaced the 2602Bs.
And there you go. Your 2602Bs can now be removed from your rack, and you've just gained yourself 2 units of rack space. For more information, please visit tech.com/Keithley.